Hey guys, Dominic Zen, and I'm doing another quick video show the results from my third traffic run to my Exitus Elite business. Here's my Udimi. This gentleman right here is the who I got it from, and he filled it pretty damn quickly. So I was real happy with that. And as you can see, I ordered only 100. I got 110, so I got that. He gave me a 10% extra, which is awesome. And he got those filled within a couple days. I was expecting, 2 or 3 days. I did that. This is Thursday, Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. He did that. I did that on like a Saturday night, last Saturday. I was expecting him to run it like Monday. He had it done by like Monday evening, so he was on the ball, and he did real well. So I'm happy with that. All in all, out of 100, the 100 clicks, got 110 he sent me. This is my active leads from my Exitus back office. And you can see that out of the 110, I got 3 active leads that are now currently going through the email sequence from the Exitus Elite autoresponder. And when I come back here to my unconfirmed leads, checking by the date, I got a total of 19 unconfirmed leads. Unconfirmed leads, there's 19. Start on the 22nd. And all that means is these are people that put in their email address on the landing page, but they have not gone in and into their personal emails and clicked the double opt-in. When you go through the landing page, it gives a widget saying if you wish to continue and see what's going on, go to your email and and verify. Well, these people aren't doing that. So that's one of the things I'm not too keen on about the autoresponder system here is, some people say, hey, use the double opt-in. It'll get you better quality leads, because they're willing to take the extra step. Well, my thought is I've never liked double opt-ins because of, you're seeing here, 3 people did it. 19 didn't, and I'm not wanting to go and, personally take the time and, call up everybody. And I'm not a good salesman, and I'm not going to sit there and try to talk somebody into something they don't want. That's why I'm building up my funnels and making this all automated to present everything to everybody. This is by no means a bad thing. This is what I'm expecting. And I'm happy with so far I'm happy with what I'm doing, happy with the results, and this is the way the game goes. If I had a larger budget, guess what? I'd have better, get more results. But when you're starting out, you don't have a lot of money, you build small, and it's like going out fishing. You got to keep throwing that line out, and sooner or later you're going to hook something. That's all it takes. You got to keep on trying. That's what I'm doing. So right now, I'm happy with what's going on, and I'm going to keep continuing. This is not a reason to stop. You only fail if you quit trying, and I am sick and tired of failing, so I'm not going to quit trying. I'm sticking to my budget, and I'll be putting in another one this week, another order, and we'll see what happens. So anyway, just putting out this short little video. This is what I got this week, and I'll put out, as soon as my next solo run's done, I'll post another review, just to let you guys see what's going on. Until then, I'll see you on the next video.